China has doubled down on its investment in humanoid robots, with AgiBot leading the charge. AgiBot's new AgiBot World dataset drops with 1 million plus robot trajectories, aiming to solve real-world problems like robot teamwork and fine-tuned manipulation. China's pushing hard to mass-produce humanoids by 2025. The concept of humanoid robot has been a staple of science fiction for decades. However, it wasn't until the 21st century that they began to take shape in reality. Companies like Boston Dynamics and Honda paved the way with their early prototypes, but Elon Musk's Tesla brought the idea into the mainstream. Musk's Optimus robot, unveiled in 2021, promised to revolutionize industries from manufacturing to household chores. Fast forward to 2024, and China has thrown this hat into the ring with AgiBot, a startup founded in February 2023 by Pang Chiwi. The Shanghai-based startup competes with tech giants like Tesla Incorporation and Boston Dynamics Incorporation in their race to build and deliver humanoid robots that can perform basic tasks similar to how humans can. AgiBot has quickly made a name for itself by mass-producing humanoid robots designed for both domestic and industrial applications. The company's flagship model, the Race A1, has already been deployed in various sectors, showcasing its versatility and advanced capabilities. China's aggressive push into the humanoid robots market has raised eyebrows and sparked debate. On one hand, AgiBot's rapid progress and ambitious goals are impressive. AgiBot robots are already performing tasks like folding clothes, organizing items, and even collaborating with human workers in industrial settings. The potential applications for humanoid robots are vast, from healthcare and elder care to logistics and beyond. But the road to widespread adoption is fraught with challenges, including ethical concerns, regulatory hurdles, and the ever-present fear of job displacement. AgiBot's impressive progress is a testament to China's commitment to taking charge of AI and robotics. AgiBot's open source play might shake things up or add fuel to the humanoid hype machine. Let us know what you think of this in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the News Guide for tech stories like this and many more global insights.